Trying to be a YouTuber is a frustrating endeavour. You spend days, sometimes weeks, creating what you think's a decent video. You upload it with high hopes and then days later it's sitting at a couple of hundred views. And you start to wonder for the thousandth time, is all this time and effort just a pure waste? On the other side of the coin, you film yourself trying a tongue twister in a 90-second clip and somehow it pulls in nearly 3 million views. Until recently, this channel here, the Windswept Robert channel, was doing fairly well. Each video, while no massive, it kept me going. They resonated with you, my audience, and dare I say, fans? But something has changed. Every video I've published in the last month has tanked. Not just underperformed, they've vanished. They never even get a chance to appear. I know for a fact that my videos are no longer being recommended. People have told me they didn't know I'd uploaded anything. They get no notifications, they saw no thumbnails, nothing. Even my older videos, the evergreen content, they used to pull in views every day. But now, zero, nada, nothing, nout. Now I don't know why this has happened, but I've done something that I'm hoping will fix it. Some people say that mixing niches confuses the algorithm, and when it gets confused it throws you aside and runs. And I think that's what's happened. I've got too many types of content in this channel and the algorithm has bolted. So here's what I've done. I've spent the past few weeks working like 16 hours a day on a brand new channel. I've moved all of my VR content over to that channel. That's like the 360 videos and the one 3D test that I did. This leaves Windswept Robert, this channel here, free to return back to its roots. Drone testing, Wii tutorials and drone feature breakdowns. Now if that's what you want, stay right here. But if you're into immersive Scottish storytelling in 360, 3D and VR 180, those videos now live on my new channel, and you can subscribe to both channels, and I really hope you do. So, what's the new channel called? Well, it's not even live yet. I'll be live streaming this Sunday, May the 11th at 7 PM GMT, where I used to live stream. During the stream, I'll launch the new channel live on the air, and I'll reveal the name and drop the link into the live stream chat. Right now the channel has 0 subscribers, and until this very moment I've told no one that I created it. No one knows. Except you. So when I drop that link on Sunday night, you could be the first subscriber. I'm excited about this, and even if it doesn't fix the algorithm problem, I still think that keeping the content separated is the right move. So please pop into the chat this Sunday at 7 PM GMT, where I'll also be giving away 10 free memberships to this channel, Windswept Robert. I'll be talking about the new gear I picked up recently and sharing some interesting info on the upcoming DJI Mini Pro 5. So until Sunday, cheerio the now.
Forever I'll live, forever I'll try.